Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with the Cactus Cuties bundle from the Stampin' Up! Mini Catalog for January-June 2022 that goes live January 4th. And we're going to create a quick, cute card. I'm going to start with Coastal Cabana ink and ink up a couple of the images from the Cactus Cuties. And let's make sure I give them even pressure all over. And let's set that out of the way and close up my ink. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring in that Cactus Builder punch. And you'll notice that I've lined up my stamps so that they're going to punch those images perfectly. Now, if you'd like to see how to do that, watch the One Simple Trick video that I've put up for the Cactus Builder punch. And then I need one more stamped piece of the cactus, and I'm going to do that in Bermuda Bay. And just give that a little rub all over to pick up ink. And again, let's put these out of the way, close up my ink pad, and bring that Cactus Builder punch back in. And we're just going to line that up in there. Okay, put these out of the way. And then I want to stamp my sentiment. And I have already added that to my Stamparatus with a piece of basic white. And as you can see, I've used some washi tape to mask off the parts of the sentiment I don't want. And I'm just going to ink this up good with Memento. And then pull my washi mask right off. And I'm going to do that carefully in case I need to use it a second time to get it dark enough. Let's lift gently. That looks great. So let's take this off and we'll put these out of the way. Okay, and then I need to use my punch one more time. I've got a piece of the Pattern Party designer paper. You can find that in the annual catalog. And I'm just going to use this for a pot on my card. And then let's bring in my card base, which is thick basic white. And I've cut this long ways, and I've got a strip of Coastal Cabana and another piece of that Pattern Party designer paper. Now, if you're on my newsletter, you'll get the project sheet with all of the measurements for this on January 9th. That's where all of this week's project sheets will be. This is January 2nd, and there's a newsletter going out later today with all of the previous week's project sheets. Okay, so then we're going to line up the bottom of our card base with the grid paper and use those grid lines to help us make sure that this inside strip is straight. And then we need to layer some pieces onto the front. And I've got another piece of the Pattern Party designer paper. That doesn't, there we go. And I'm laying it down with multi-purpose glue. And let's make sure that we're straight. Love the little bit of wiggle room you get with the multi-purpose glue. Okay, and then I need dimensionals on the back of my Coastal Cabana piece. And oops, we don't need that as a tag along there. And let's line this up and center this piece. We've got a nice border of that Pattern Party Designer paper showing. And then we need dimensionals on the back of this piece. Oops. One of these can go in the middle. Okay. And again, we're going to center this piece. Okay. And how about a couple of dimensionals on the back of our pot here? And I'm just going to set this in place for a moment. And I'm going to adhere this larger piece of cactus using my multi-purpose glue. So let's make sure the pot is where we're going to want it. Okay. And then I want a dimensional on the back of this little piece. And then let's find, I've got a little piece here, and I just want to cut off a tiny piece of edge dimensional, and we're going to put it on the back of this flower piece. Okay, let's put this down. I stayed with one of my nieces in the last couple of days, and this is going to be the thank you card that I send to her for her hospitality. And we're going to embellish with some matte black dots. Those are from the annual catalog. And let's grab this guy with our take your pick tool. I think I want to come down here into the corner, and then just deciding where I want my third here. Okay, so that's a quick and easy Cactus Cuties card. Thanks for stopping in today. If you're in the United States, please do some of your shopping in my Stampin' Up! Store. Again, the project sheet will be available in my January 9th newsletter. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your card-making friends, and when you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Have a great day. Bye.